Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto Millionaire from scratch. It's SparkPoint. In this video, we will talk about SparkPoint, how I put money into SparkPoint because of my dog, and some of you even called me BS, which means bull school, because I didn't actually buy on my dog's prediction. Well, guess what? I did, and as you can see here, here's my KuCoin. It says $542 because the price went down, as you can see here, but it was $600. Alright. Quick news on the market cap. Bitcoin is recovering, everything is kinda recovering. Yesterday it was bleeding and this is going up, so it's a correction. Oh, crypto coin, crypto.com coin is going up, that's nice. Right, a lot of stackers. Filecoin is breaking the all-time high again. Oh my god. BitTorrent coin going even higher. Damn, that was a gem. Alright, let's go to our main attention point here, SparkPoint. Why I bought SparkPoint and why I still believe it's the future, let's say. Which means I believe it will 10x, 30x, 40x, or probably even more. Alright, let's start. First of all, it's a coin with a small market cap and with a somehow small supply, because the total supply is not released yet and it's almost double of the circulating supply. Alright, so let me close this. This is Versailles. Versailles looks professional, but again, don't take what I say as financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a monkey on YouTube trying to make money, and this video is pure entertainment. So do your own research, alright? Do your own research. Alright, so this is Versailles. It looks professional. It looks amazing. So we have SparkPoint wallet, a non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet. You can store SparkPoint token, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some ERC tokens. Alright, ERC20 tokens. Then you have blockchain gaming, which is really nice, and that's SparkPlay. We have 3 games now, announcing 1 more this month, and I think it's going big. It's going to be big. Then SparkLearn e-learning platform. This is huge, and this will be huge. An e-learning portal full of blockchain technology. Again, I'm not going to tell you why this is huge, why I believe it's a great idea. These are just my opinions because I read everything here. And it wouldn't be fair for them to show you everything. So you have Versailles SparkPoint.io and you can learn and you can read everything. Now I'm just giving my opinions on their projects and why I believe they're great. Alright, now Spark DeFi is a lending platform, and lending is not something that I'm 100% okay with, because there were a lot of scams in the crypto that involved lending. But this is something different because we are also offering staking in different coins. I'm not sure. Let's check their site. Can I hop on this? So they offer peer-to-peer lending. They offer this S-Fuel, SparkFuel token. And I'm not sure if it's released on any market. No, it's not released yet. You have the white papers here. They look legit. I mean, I didn't find anything that would be a red flag for me, and I think that's great. Right, we have more here, the revenue and deflationary model. They also buyback and burn tokens to make sure that it will increase its value. And as you can see here we have the roadmap. Right, so we are going to do the 4th buyback and burn program this quarter in 2021. So it's until April. 6 or 7 more days. Right, they will also release the 3rd Spark DeFi D-app beta release, the Spark Swap DEX, also the official release of the 2nd Spark DeFi D-app, Spark Bridge and Spark Pool, and the SparkPoint wallet major update. Alright, you can take a look to these projects. They have plans for the long term, which is really great, and this is what you should look into a crypto, that they really find a use for their coin, and that they are also working for big things in the future. E-learning, gaming, a wallet, the money exchange system, and many more. We have a lot of things here. Now, the second most important thing is the team, and you should always take a look at their team, because usually when the CEO is someone that you don't trust, you shouldn't invest in that company or coin. But I trust their team. I trust their CEO, Andy Agnes, I hope I got your name right, bro, and Rico Zuniga. Alright, Andy and Rico. Okay, you have here a list of the developers, you have the champions, the advocates and promoters of our solutions, and the force. Be hearing me, alright? We have Karan, partnership and outreach manager, community manager Josel, Dexter here, risk and compliance officer, and we have Tony, marketing advisor. But am I just here tripping, or does Tony look like someone familiar? Wink wink, wink wink, Tony, what's up, bro? And he's actually holding a giveaway on his Twitter linked to SparkPoint. And Tony here, JRNY crypto, is a pretty big name in the community, if you understand what I mean. I mean, 361k subscribers. He's getting more than 100k views per video, and he posts 2 times per day. You know what I mean? He's going somewhere with this. He has a lot of SparkPoint, and obviously he's promoting it because he will make a lot of money out of this, and he's also the marketing advisor. Based on my knowledge, he got paid into SparkPoints for helping SparkPoint to develop a marketing plan. So if SparkPoint is not the future, at least the price will go 20x, 30x, I believe. As I said, the market cap is really low, and if this will drop under 1 cent, at least half of this is even more probable to see a 30x in the future. I think it already happened, something like, yeah, as you can see in 2020 it was not even, damn, it was $0.00037, and now it was a cent, and now it is a cent. So if you bought here, you would have get a 1000x now. Dude, this is crazy. And now to clarify some stuff, when I gave my dog options to pick between SRK and StormX, I obviously checked the companies before, because I'm not an idiot to get advice from a dog without knowing what I'm showing him. Because it would be like, you know, I'm going to a stranger on the street and ask, should I buy Bitcoin or Dogecoin? And he says, Dogecoin. If you give 2 great options, obviously he will pick one that's great, because both of the options are great. So if I bought SparkPoint, let me show you when I bought. Now the price is down, but I bought here, so the price went up, right? And I think it was close to a 2x, 40%. No, it was 40%. Yeah. And if I bought StormX, hold on, StormX, it would be almost the same thing. And again, if you do these things when you give your dog or your pet options to pick between, make sure that you give it some great options. Because when 2 options are great, it doesn't matter what the dog will pick, it will be a great coin to invest in. This is how I invested. So when it comes to me taking financial decisions, are they good? Maybe. Are they responsible? Totally not. Because again, I let a pet choose my coin, and it was 100% emotional, and you shouldn't involve emotions into investing. Right? Alright. So if you want to join this 0 to 1 million challenge in crypto with me, make sure that you smash the like button and the subscribe button to get notified whenever I release a new video. And if you want to learn more about crypto, make sure that you check the videos on the screen. I don't know where the videos are, somewhere here. Make sure to check them because they are really helpful. Until next time, remember one word, Dior. Do your own research. I'm Apollo Wayne, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.